Okay, y'all, before I get into my haul video for today of the things that I picked up for the house, just wanted to give y'all a sneak peek of my progress in the dining room. I know y'all like, T bought that house in August and she ain't came back with no home videos yet. But let me explain, and I'm sure a lot of you already know, COVID has held everything up so long, y'all. Like, I've ordered things and things get canceled, things are back ordered. It's just a hot mess. And it's like I tried to go room to room and complete one room, but everything that I want and need for one room is either not available, is back ordered, or some kind of situation that has the process just held up. But anyway, I am going to show you guys my progress of my formal dining room so far. I still have to get an area rug. I still have to get some things to go over on the hutch, and then some wall pieces, and then some window treatments and curtain rods and things like that. But it's a work in progress. I am trying to furnish and decorate a whole house, this entire house, all at once, because I can't go room by room. So things are just, I'm doing the best I can, y'all. But as soon as I get everything completed, I will be back to show you guys. So this is my formal dining room. And if you don't remember, this is the front door, and it's right off of the front door. I will link the empty house tour so that you guys can kind of see the layout of the house if you are interested. But anyway, I had to get creative with these chairs because I tried to order the chairs from Wayfair and Overstock. Was not happening. So believe it or not, these chairs came from Amazon, and they are really, really nice, very comfortable, very durable. They came from Amazon, and I will put the link of everything in the description box. Oh, the table came from Wayfair, and that is the full length of the table. It seats 8 chairs. Okay, so the light fixture, this came from Overstock. Finally, I got my hands on this. I've been eyeing it for some time. Finally got it. And that's how it looks from the top. And that is what it looks like with the lights on. And then I'll turn the lights off so you can kind of see what it looks like. It is so pretty, y'all. I know these camera angles and images is not going to do it justice. It is beautiful. Okay, so let me turn the light back on. So this came from Overstock. And then the last piece that I have is my hutch. This came from Wayfair as well. And I wanted to do like the mirrored glam look down here. So this is my hutch. And like I said, I just have to get some pieces to go on top. I'm thinking of doing like, maybe like a vase on each side, and then a nice mirror, like a rectangular mirror. I just haven't found one big enough, or some wall art. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but it's a work in progress. This is probably like my most completed room besides the master bedroom. But I have some things that I have to put in the master bedroom before I show you guys that. That should be coming hopefully within the next couple of weeks. So this is what I have so far in my living room. All right, so let me set up everything that I bought today, and then I'll come back and show you guys that. Okay, y'all, this is my complete haul from today and a few things I purchased over the weekend. As you can see over there in the corners and on the floor. So I'm going to go over everything. Before I get to what's on the table, I am going to start over in this corner. These are the things that I got from Ross. I picked up some pillows, some king size Zen plush pillows. These were $19.99 for the pair. They feel really, really good. I got a mattress protector for my daughter's bed, $19.99. Seems like it's pretty nice. This rug right here, which I was going to order from Amazon. It was like $280. Y'all, I found this rug at Ross for $100. Yes, $100. When I saw that, I jumped all over it. And this is a 7'9" by 9'7". So it's a pretty big rug. I'm going to put this in our family room around our couch. And then this stuff came from Burlington. These are 2 rods which coordinate with the lamps that I have that I'll show you in 1 second. These were $15.99 each. And then this one, I decided to do one of my guest rooms in black and gold. And so I got this rod right here for $13.99. I thought those were really pretty. And then moving on to this pillow right here. I believe this came from Burlington. Yes, Burlington. These are just some decorative pillows. Not sure where they're going yet, but I bought them. And these were $18.99, y'all. Okay, so yeah, those are nice. And I picked up a lot of gray stuff because my foundational color is gray, and then I'm going to accent with other different colors. No idea what those colors are right now, but gray is the foundational color. All right, so for my daughter's room, I picked this up from Walmart. Not sure if this is still available, but it was available in store. I think it was like $35 for an 8-piece set. And it's like a comforter and a quilt set. And it also comes, it's the comforter, the shams, the decorative pillow, the reversible quilt, the 2 standard shams, and then another decorative pillow. I thought it was really pretty, and she loves it. And then moving on over here, I went to At Home over the weekend, and I picked this up. It's a king comforter set. I don't know if you can see it, but it's mostly white, but it has like silver shimmery glitter parts in it. It's really pretty. And it's a king size. And it comes with the comforter, the 2 shams, the decorative pillows, and the bed skirt. And that will be going on our bed. And then also from At Home, I purchased these. These were $7.99 each. These will go in my daughter's bedroom, along with this little mirrored tray, which was $14.99 from At Home. All right, so I'm gonna move to everything that I have on the table here. First, starting off with these pillows right here. They are really soft. And these came from, it's a 2-pack. These came from Ross as well. $13.99 for the set. And y'all, I hit the mother load on lamps at Ross, like seriously. So the first set of lamps are these really pretty ones right here. They are so pretty, y'all. These were $36.99 each. These will go in my daughter's room. And then this set right here. And there's that detailing that I was talking about that matches the curtain rods over there. So here's the detailing on that. These will go in the living room as well. And these were $27.99 each. And I have 2 of those. All right, so here is a queen sheet set that I got for my daughter's room. It was $17.99. London Fog from Ross. Very nice, and it feels really good. And y'all, I was so excited when I found these pillows because I have been wanting some duck-filled pillows so I can, karate chop them when I go and put them on my bed and stuff. Because, that's the style now, the karate chop pillows. So in order to achieve that look, you have to get pillows that are filled with duck feathers. So you can karate chop it and it stays. All right. So this set I got from Marshall's for $24.99. And then I got a lighter gray set also from Marshall's for $24.99. So yeah, I've been looking on Amazon. They've been like $50 for a set, or some were even higher than that. And I'm like, I gotta find a corner to cut somewhere because I can't use coupons. You know, I tried to use coupons on this stuff, but there's no way to use coupons. So you have to shop around to try to find the best deals before you just buy the first thing that you see. So these stores are it. So excited about these pillows. And then for my black and gold room, like I mentioned, one of my guest rooms will be black and gold. So I found this cute tray. It's a nice, it's like a vanity tray, but I have an idea, something that I'm gonna do with it. This was $14.99. So pretty. And it's pretty big as well. And they also had the square ones too. Like, and I went to 2 Ross stores and both stores had them. So if you are interested in anything that I got from Ross, you can probably find it there today or soon. And then I picked up these little decorative vases. These were $10.99 each. I thought that they were really pretty. I'm gonna put them somewhere, don't know where yet in that room, but they will go somewhere. And then the this Ray Dunn sheet set, I found this at Marshall's for $39.99. And I looked on Amazon, y'all. This same sheet set, well, actually it's another one that says relax instead of blessed right there. It comes with the embroidered pillowcases on Amazon for $102. So yeah, that was a really good find in my opinion. And it's 100% cotton. If you want some soft sheets, get 100% cotton. Don't get that polyester mixed stuff, okay? All right, moving on to my other pieces that I found. These I found at Ross. These will probably go in my living room or the family room. These are $6.99 each. And I like it because it has like the 2 grays that I'm doing or decorating with in that room with my base colors. Still don't know what my accent colors are yet, but it'll probably be some kind of blue. And then the last 2 sets of lamps from Ross. Here is what this one looks like. And these were $19.99 each. And I have 2 of those. And then last but not least, the the lamps that are gonna go in our bedroom, the master bedroom, are these right here. I thought that they were really pretty with the white shade. And these were $30 each. All right. So yeah, y'all, that is my complete haul for this week of home decor items, things that I'm getting for the house. Still on the hunt every day, just about. I am in somebody's store looking for stuff. So if you have any questions about anything that you have seen in this video, please post them below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching.